working as assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Kelly College of Pharmacy, Hubli. In this session, we will discuss regarding anti-hyperlipidemic agents. Definition: the agents that reduce the concentration of plasma lipids are called hypocholesterolemic agents or anti-hyperlipidemic agents. A number of metabolic disorders that involve the elevation of any lipoprotein series are termed as hyperlipoproteinemias or hyperlipidemias. The two major clinical sequelae of the hyperlipoproteinemia are the acute pancreatitis and atherosclerosis. Lipoproteins are classified into four types. First one, high density lipoproteins, also known as HDL. Second one, low density lipoproteins, also known as LDL. Third one, very low density lipoproteins, also known as VLDL. And the fourth one, chylomicrons. Hyperlipoproteinemia can be of the following types, that is primary and secondary. Primary, due to single gene defect, it is familial and monogenic or genetic. Primary may be also due to multiple gene, that is it is dietary and physical activity related. Whereas coming to secondary, it is associated with diabetes, myxedema, nephrotic syndrome, chronic alcoholism, and also due to the use of certain drugs like corticosteroids, oral contraceptives, beta blockers, etc. Coming to the classification of anti-hyperlipidemic agents, there are 6 major classes. The first one is HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. Second one, bile acid sequestrants. Third one, fibric acid derivatives. Fourth one, LDL oxidation inhibitors. Fifth one, pyridine derivatives. Sixth, miscellaneous. Now we will study one by one of these classification. First one, HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. This is the general structure of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. These are the few drugs belonging to the class of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. As we could see in the basic structure, there are major 3 substitutions, that is R1, R2, R3. Based on the different substitutions at the R1, R2, R3, we will be having the different drugs. Examples include memvastatin, lovastatin, simvastatin, pravastatin. The respective substitutions at R1, R2, R3 are given in this tabular column. Come to the few more drugs belonging to the class of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. The first one, dalvastatin. This is the structure for the same, and this is the structure for fluvastatin, and this is the structure for atorvastatin, and this is the structure for cerevastatin. Mechanism of action of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. These drugs competitively inhibit the conversion of HMG-CoA to mevalonate. This is the rate limiting step in cholesterol synthesis. This results in receptor mediated uptake and catabolism of intermediate density and very low density lipoproteins. Coming to the structure activity relationship of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. Memvastatin and lovastatin are the lead compounds in the development of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. Lactone ring, bicyclic rings and ethylene bridge are very important for the activity purpose. Pravastatin is the ring opened dihydroxy acid with a 6 hydroxyl group which is more hydrophilic than lovastatin. So it has the low penetration to the peripheral tissues and less side effects. The 3,5-dihydroxycarboxylate is essential for inhibitory activity. Compounds containing a lactone are prodrugs requiring in vivo hydrolysis. The absolute stereochemistry of the 3 and 5 hydroxyl groups must be same as the mavastatin and lovastatin. A double bond between C6 and C7 can either increase or decrease activity. The ethyl group provides optimal activity for compounds containing ring A and some heterocyclic rings, that is pyrrole ring of atorvastatin. The ethynyl group is optimal for compounds with other rings such as indole and pyrimidine rings as seen in fluvastatin and cerevastatin. Coming to the attribution by the ring A and ring B. Ring A subclass. The decalin ring is essential for anchoring the compound to the enzyme active site. Replacement with a cyclohexane ring resulted in 10,000-fold decrease in the activity. Stereochemistry of the ester side chain is important for activity. The conversion of this ester to an ether resulted in a decrease in activity. Methyl substitution at the R2 position increases activity. That is, simvastatin is more potent than lovastatin. Coming to the ring B subclass, it may be either 0 or 1, that is 5 or 6 member heterocyclic ring. The parafluorophenyl cannot be coplanar with the central aromatic ring, that is, structural restraints to cause coplanarity have resulted in a loss of activity. R substitution with aryl groups of hydrocarbon chains enhances lipophilicity and inhibitory activity.